Okay, now I'm going to talk about problems encountered for obtaining data. So next, so far I have explained how you may determine a problem which you are going to solve through your research activity, a problem which is included in your research theme. But what I'm going to talk here is the problems encountered in your activity for obtaining data such as experiment or investigations. So what you are doing, I want you to think about what you're doing for obtaining data. So I do believe the researcher, probably you, are observing something one, or let me call this something one, actually system component, acts on something two, another system component. Then so as shown in this illustration, so you should be observing the change of parameter 1 and the change of parameter 2. So the data that you are going to obtain is parameter of something 1 and parameter of something 2. So you want to know the relationship between these two parameters. That is what you are doing probably in your experiment or investigation, which I call obtaining data. Then to realize this, I mean you are you are observing something one acting on something two. So what you need to do must be you need to control the parameter one of something one, and you need to measure the outcome of the change of parameter 2 as outcome of the change of parameter 1. So you need some control system and measurement system to realize, to perform this activity of obtaining data. So you should recognize there should be a system which could be called control system, and which could be called a measurement system. The objective of the control system is control parameter 1, and the objective of measurement system is measure the influence of parameter 1 on parameter 2. Then if we use the template which I have introduced, so you could define the problem which could be encountered in the process of obtaining data. Related to control system. So in this case, the control system is control system, and what is the positive state of the control system is controlling parameter 1. Negative state, well, you in case you sometimes cannot control parameter 1 as you want. So in such case, we describe the situation insufficiently controlling parameter 1. So we could define a problem which you could encounter in obtaining data by using this template. If we introduce control system, parameter 1 can be controlled, but sometimes parameter 1 can be insufficiently controlled. So another type of problem which could be encountered in the process of obtaining data is related to measurement system. So in this case, the system is measurement system, and what is the positive state is measuring parameter 2, negative state insufficiently measuring parameter 2. So by using the template, you can define a problem in obtaining data like this. If we introduce measurement system, parameter 2 can be measured, but sometimes parameter 2 can be insufficiently measured. So when you encounter a problem in the process of obtaining data, and you may want to ask help your colleague with supervisor. So if they cannot understand what you are saying, what you should do is define your problem by using this template. So you should recognize which system, control system or measurement system, the problem is happening. So then once you recognize control system or measurement system, you should try to define your problem by using this template. So you can, after completing this process, you can start the discussion for seeking the solution to the problem which you are encountering. Okay, this is all for this section. Thank you for listening.